With your iPhone, you can use your iPhone as personal hotspot or use Wi-Fi as a source of internet connection. But basically, for you to use your iPhone as personal hotspot on other device, you need to set it up. So here, I'm going to walk you through how to set up personal hotspot on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set up personal hotspot on iPhone, all you just need to do first is make sure you disconnect your Wi-Fi. So go ahead, disconnect Wi-Fi if you are connected to one. And if your iPhone is not connected to Wi-Fi, just go ahead and open settings. Then once you open your settings, scroll down. Locate cellular and click on it. Now once you select cellular, scroll down the cellular page and here you're going to see cellular data option and then set up personal hotspot. For you to be able to set up your personal hotspot on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to see what that says. Set up personal hotspot. To enable personal hotspot on this account, you need to contact your network, but that is not the case. The case is here. Just go ahead and turn on cellular data. And once you turn on cellular data, you're going to see your personal hotspot turned on. Then hit the back button. Now, once you hit the back button, if you come back to the settings page, you're going to see personal hotspot. So the personal hotspot that was missing on your iPhone now is not visible. Then go ahead and click on that. So here, you want to allow others to join your personal hotspot by turning on this feature. And here's your personal hotspot password. Click on this, delete whatever you have here, then type in your new personal hotspot and then click on the done button at the top right. Now, once you click on the done button at the top right, that is going to be set as your personal hotspot. Also, if you come down here, you're going to see maximize compatibility. Internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot when turned on. So you can just turn on maximize compatibility. This works for devices that uses 2.4 GHz other than 5 GHz. When this is turned on, all devices will be able to connect to your iPhone personal hotspot. So that is basically all you just need to do to set up personal hotspot on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.